So I wanted to talk to you today about how anything is possible in your life. Anything you want to do, anywhere you want to be, anybody you want to talk to is completely possible. Now, right here today, I don't know if you can see around me, I'm speaking at one of the best business schools in the nation, in the world. It's the USC Marshall School of Business, because it's always been my dream to change the education system. It's been my dream to transform the way that people learn and affect 1 billion people all over the world. Change the world. Anything is possible. And I never thought that, given my background, I would be able to be on Forbes, be interviewed on TV stations such as Fox, CBS, NBC, etc. And now I'm speaking at one of the most respected institutions in the world, USC Marshall School of Business, about how to be an entrepreneur and how to do big things that change the world. Now, the reason I'm telling you this is because really, where you've got to start though, if you want to do big things, is you've got to dream it first. And if you don't know where you want to go, you're never going to get there. You have to dream it first. So have big dreams and never let go of those dreams, and understand that anything is possible. So I just wanted to encourage you today and also ask you a question. What is your dream? Don't tell me what you're sick and tired of, because that's BS. That's how you become like the rest of the world. The rest of the world complains, right? Don't complain. Tell me what your dream is. Tell me what your dream is. You want how much time? You want to spend it with who? You want to do what? Then you can backwards engineer what your business looks like, what your life may look like from that point. So I hope that helps. Let me know what your guys' dream is in the comments. I love the interaction. And I'll be posting up some really cool videos for you guys soon of my talk over here at USC. Give me a big thumbs up. This is a big step for me and I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys soon.